We are. The dal has picked a lot of the water up, and I'm just going to strain it here. So I get most of the water when I change the water. We actually like rinsing it once as well, and then changing. You'll see all the extra gas bubbles coming off of it there. So we like rinsing it a couple times to get those off. And all of this helps in the digestive ability for the body. I'm going to take the dal and put it in the pressure cooker. Use the right hand generally. And we're going to use 2 cups of water, good water. Because we had 1 cup of dal. A little bit of turmeric. Like half a teaspoon. High pressure cook for 15 minutes. You could also do on a stove top or in a crock pot until they get really soft, but 15 minutes in a high pressure cooker.